Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you a good website where you can download and install many applications like Google Chrome, Firefox, Zoom, and etc. only with one click. So it's called Night. Okay. This is the official website. Click on that, where you can download and install apps like Zoom, Discord, Skype. There are many categories like web browser, messaging, media, runtimes, online storage, file sharing, security, developers. So the apps which you want to install on your PC, you can just check. I'm going to download Google Chrome, Firefox, Zoom, and this player VLC, Foxit Reader, and Teamviewer. Yeah, the apps which you need actually you can check, and 7-zip. So the once you finished with checking, you can click here, get your ninth. So it will be downloaded, as you can see, and open that. Only with one click you installed many apps which you want. Installing Firefox, as you can see here, right? And now as you can see, Firefox has been successfully installed, and now Google Chrome is installing, as you can see. Only with one click. Very easy, very simple. The installer includes 7-zip, Google Chrome, Firefox, Foxit Reader, Teamviewer, VLC, and Zoom. This application, which I checked, will be installed in my PC. So Google Chrome is installing, as you can see. And now it's finished, and VLC is installing. As you can see, Google Chrome has been successfully installed. Firefox has been successfully installed. And VLC has been successfully installed. And now it's the Zoom has been successfully installed. Installing Foxit Reader, as you can see. Yeah, you can go to this website and download and install your software. Very simple and easy. There are many, and the one thing which is very good with this website is it is always up to date. Up to date, always up to date, and trusted by millions. As you can see, yes. As I mentioned before, if you're new here, if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and leave comment. As you can see, Foxit Reader has been successfully also installed. This one. And is finished installing Teamviewer, as you can see. Yeah, the Teamviewer has been successfully also installed. Yeah, that's how you can download many apps and install on your PC only with one click from this website. If you like the website, if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, any queries, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you with that. See you in the next video.